Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to find and get free games on Microsoft Store. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store. Click on open it. Go to gaming tab and scroll down. As you can see, must play free games. Just select it and here is the list of games that are famous. You can select and play the game you want. For example, I'm going with the Farming Simulator 14. Just select the game and select Get option. After the install done, select the Play option. And that's how you can find and get free games on Microsoft Store. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.